Hi everyone, my name is Mike Brown and welcome to my course, Archiving Cloud Data with Amazon S3 Glacier. I am a Senior Cloud Instructor at Firebrand Trade in the UK, specialising in Amazon Web Services. And I have over 23 years of experience working in IT. Amazon S3 Glacier is a highly durable archive solution offering 11 nines of durability for a fraction of cent per gigabyte stored. This course is intended to give you a comprehensive look at Amazon S3 Glacier. Some of the major topics that will be covered include: what is Amazon S3 Glacier? How is S3 Glacier implemented? How do we monitor S3 Glacier access? And how do we enforce compliance controls when using Amazon S3 Glacier? By the end of this course, you have learned the skills needed to implement S3 Glacier for your organisation and your customers. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into AWS storage topics with courses on Amazon S3 and auditing and compliance. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Amazon S3 Glacier with the Archiving Cloud Data with Amazon S3 Glacier course at Pluralsight.